Today on 60-second favourites, we're going to be taking a look at the Flow Connectors range by Ovia. So let's dive in and check them out. The Flow Connectors range are ideal for contractors as they're quick and easy to install. They're available in both 3-pole and 4-pole connections in both male and female. They also have time-saving lever connectors, ensuring the cables can't be easily pulled out. They also have either fast fit or screw down core grip, depending on your preferences. So if you're working on a bigger project in a bigger space, we also have the 16-way lighting management box and the 8-way distribution box. We also have the 4-pole flow hub and splitters, which are ideal accessories to keep your job organised and simple. And to make things even easier, we offer pre-wired flow connectors and cables in either 2, 3 and 5 metre lengths. We also have the 4-pole ceiling rows and quick connect ceiling rows, which allows you to make quick and easy connections when fitting downlights and ceiling lights. Our Flow Connectors range has been designed to create complex lighting installations quickly, easily, but most importantly, safely. And all of our Inceptor products come pre-fitted with a flow connector for your convenience. If you want to see more from us here at Ovia, please check out the website at oviauk.com. We'll put a link in the description. And if you want to see more 60-second favourite videos, please remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification button below.